man, him want to hold me. Don't you run down, youth man, you never get away. Cause if you slip you will slide, and if you run you can't hide. Cause I've got my matty stuck right on my hip now. Whoa, Babylon, don't you touch my senses. Whoa, Babylon, said $4 a stick and $10 quarter. That's what keep me alive, me and my 2 kids and wife. So give me a chance and let me go a little faster. Please let me pass through, and Jah will bless you. Whoa, Babylon, don't you touch my senses. Whoa, Babylon, don't you touch my senses. Yeah, oh. No, 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 no. Oh, 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 yeah. No, oh, yeah. Give me a chance, yeah. Oh, oh. Give me a chance. Oh, yeah, yeah. Give me a chance. Oh, oh. Dread them waiting in the city. They go lick it to the gritty. The dread them waiting in the city. I think I'll lick it to the gritty. Don't please, Mr. Policeman, won't you have some pity? Whoa, Babylon, don't you touch my candy. Whoa, Babylon, don't you touch my sense. No, no, no. $4 a stick and $10 quarter. That's what keep me alive, me and my 2 kids and wife. So give me a chance now and let me go a little faster. Please let me pass through, and Jah will bless you. Whoa, Babylon, don't you touch my senses. Whoa, Babylon, don't you touch my senses. Give me a chance, yeah. Give me a chance. Whoa, Babylon, don't you touch my senses. Whoa, Babylon, said I'm coming from the